everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bri. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and installing Bellami clip-in extensions, so I am so excited. If you guys want to see some hair, then just keep watching. I am so excited to be filming this finally because these extensions have just been here, just sitting, and I've been looking at them for 2 weeks waiting to open them, but it took all of me to be patient, not open them, not wear them, and just wait. So these are the Khaleesi Bellami hair extensions. If you guys are familiar with Game of Thrones, which I'm pretty sure you are, Khaleesi is from Game of Thrones. She is the beautiful blonde. I'm actually barely on season 3. I told myself so many times that I wasn't gonna watch it. I wasn't gonna get on the hype, and then we ended up watching it. So I love Khaleesi. She is my favorite. I have actually purchased these extensions before when I had shorter hair, so I did cut them a lot, but I am familiar with the thickness already, and they're amazing. I have tried a lot of extensions to try them out for cheaper alternatives instead of Bellami, but Bellami is by far the best hair extension company that I have ever tried. Yes, they are pricey, but I am a strong believer in you get what you pay for. Your hair extensions can last you years, how often you wear them and how good you take care of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. So usually I do purple shampoo my extensions, and I also low light them. I'm not sure if I'll be low lighting these just because I did go a little bit lighter with my hair. That's why I waited so long to film this video, because I was waiting for my hair appointment to get my roots done and everything. And then I did go a little bit lighter. So I'm not sure if I will be low lighting these. I will for sure be purple shampooing them afterwards. So I will film a video on how to purple shampoo extensions correctly. Well, let's get into it and unbox these. So this is what they look like. The box is super cute. So the Khaleesi hair extensions do come with this really cute headband. I will show you guys. It does have a little warning. If you open it, you can no longer return them, so just be careful with that. How cute this is. So the amazing thing about Bellami hair extensions is that they do come with this and a hanger, so you can store your extensions and hang them up. It also is super convenient when you travel. So you basically clip in your extensions here and then pull this through and you just can hang them. So I love that. Now getting into the fun part. This is Bellami hair, the Khaleesi 280 grams, 20 inches. This is so much hair, you guys. This is thick. 280 grams is a lot. And this is in the color 60, which is basically ash blonde. Their ash blonde isn't gonna be super ashy blonde. It's not gonna have gray tones. It's still pretty yellowish. That's why I always have to purple shampoo them. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to open them and install them so you guys can see the raw hair before I do anything to them. I usually do cut my Bellami hair extensions shorter, but I think I won't be cutting these. I really want long blonde hair this time, and my hair is getting longer, so I think I'm just gonna leave them at 20 inches. Let's come with a little tester down here, which is nice, and then again the warning, so if you open the whole thing you can no longer return them, but they do give you a tester, which is really nice. That way you can match your hair. So this is a tester. And if you're not sure of what shade you are, you can also email them a picture of your hair, and they are super fast at replying back to you and telling you what shade suits you best. So this is the tester. It's thick, you can't really see through that. So here's the tester. It is beautiful. It is blonde. It does have a little bit of dimension in here, but not too much, which is why I always tend to low light them. But I'm gonna try to make these work by just using purple shampoo, so we'll see. Obviously it is different, doesn't match my hair color. I just got my hair done yesterday too, so my hair is freshly toned, and it is pretty like on that icy ashy side. And I open them. Hair, oh my gosh, I'm in love. I am in love already. Well, this is what the hair is looking like. This is so much hair. This is how thick the ends are. Like, they don't get super thin like other extensions do. Like, look at it. You guys can see that it does have a little bit of the dimension, like I was saying. So the Khaleesi set does come with 7 clips, which is a pretty good amount. It comes with 2 of the 2 clip, which these are really good for like your sides. 3 of the 3 clips, which these are my favorites. So they just have 3 clips like that. So 3 of these. Then it has 2 of the 4 clips. So this is a lot of hair. So much hair. And then one is a little bit, this one is longer than the other. This one's a little bit shorter, but it still has 4 clips. On an average day where I just want a little bit of extra length, I will probably just do like a 4 clip and a 2 clip, and then I will kind of just put them like right here, obviously hiding them, and just blend them in. Since the hair is so thick, it blends really good, and that's pretty much all you need. But for the sake of the video, I will be putting more than I usually do, and I will be telling you guys which clips I install, and I will also be curling them, but you can wear them straight as well. They blend just as good. So I will be curling them with a wand, since I already have a video on how to curl your hair with like an actual curler with like the clamp. So I'll be showing you guys how I install and blend in my extensions. And please keep in mind, these are not purple shampooed yet. They aren't low lighted. I'm not sure if I'll be low lighting them. I definitely do need to purple shampoo them to tone the color down a little. So they're not going to match me perfectly as my other extensions do. But like I said, I just wanted you guys to see the raw hair and really see what you're buying and what you're getting if you do decide to ever purchase from Bellami. So I have already sprayed my hair with my heat protectant, like always. Before curling, straightening, putting any heat on your hair, spray your hair with heat protectant. Protectant is very important. Now I will be parting my hair at the bottom. So you want to kind of part it right here, like in the middle of your ear. And then I'm just going to curl my natural hair first, my real hair. So the curler that I am using today is the T3. This curler is amazing. This is the one I used on all my clients to curl their hair, but I use the one with the clamp. So you can buy this and then buy all the heads separately, which is really nice. So wanding your hair is obviously pretty self-explanatory. You just wrap your hair around, and then I always go away from my face. The size is actually 1 1/4. I'm just going for more of like the beachy waves, so I'm not being too precise with it because I want more of like the beachy wave look. Okay, so now I am taking a 3 clip weft, and I will just be clipping that right there. So I did take another section like right around here. So almost at the top of my ear, but not quite. And this is what the hair is looking like so far. Obviously, like you can tell, this is my real hair, this is extensions, but we will make it blends at the end. So now taking another 3 clip. Another thing about this is that the clips are so secure, like you will never be at a party or like out and worry about and have to worry about your extensions like falling out. They're really secure, which is very nice. Okay, so you just want to wrap the hair around, curling away from your face. I keep looking down because my mirror is like right there. I'm so excited to purple shampoo these because they're gonna look so good. My hair is so long. This is so weird for me because I usually cut my extensions to like about right there. So having hair this long is very different. But I think I'm ready for it. So now I will be taking a section like that. And like I said, I usually don't install this much hair. I probably still won't use all of it, but I am trying to use most of it, just so you guys can see how thick it is. The longer 4-clip extension, and then you just kind of want to put it in the middle and clip it in, and just clip it in the center of your hair. That. So I will be parting my hair in the center, so it all depends on how you're going to center it. If you're going to do it this way, then you want to put your clips a little bit lower, but I will be doing it in the middle. So now I'm just taking my 2 wefts with 2 clips, and then I'm just going to be putting them right there. You don't put them like too close, because you will obviously be able to see them. Obviously you can play around with them if you feel like one is noticeable. Okay, so like I said, I will be parting my hair in the middle. So you just want to finish curling your hair. And I am going to show you guys. So I have still 2 extensions or 2 wefts that I did not use. It is the shorter 4 clip and then a 3 clip. So if you put these in, you're gonna have tons and tons of hair, because this is already tons of hair. Like if you're going to a special event, what you can do is like stack them on top of each other, and you're gonna have some super voluminous hair. So now what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of some oil in my hands and just rub it through, and then you want to start kind of blending your natural hair with the extensions. And obviously if these were toned, they would blend a lot better, but like I said, I just really wanted to show you guys the raw extensions with nothing on them. And obviously you want to be gentle. They're not gonna fall out, but you still don't want to, you know, be super rough with them, because you can move the clips a little bit. Taking like a wide tooth comb, you can just comb them. That way your real hair and the extensions get combed in together, and that'll help it blend. So the only thing I did was straighten out like my front pieces a little bit, just because I like for those to lay a little flatter. And I'm just gonna spray it a tiny bit. Don't need a lot of hairspray. So this is what it looks like. Obviously when they get toned, they're gonna look so much better, but they are not too bad. Okay you guys, so here's the finished look. This is actually 10 hours later, not gonna lie, but they still look pretty good. I previously mentioned I really just wanted to show you guys the amazing quality of Bellami hair extensions. I wanted to show you guys the raw extensions with no purple shampoo, no toning, no low lighting. Can look a lot better and blend a lot better, which they will once I purple shampoo them. I cannot wait to make that video for you guys. When I make that video, I will insert a clip of me wearing them. That way you guys can see what I'm talking about and how well they're gonna blend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and let me know what you guys would like to see next.